All right, kiddos. This video is for my biology students. This is your website. The URL is up here, sites.google.com/sweetwaterschools.net/Perez-biology/home. You do not have to memorize that. I did send you a tiny URL so that you can use in place of this long URL. But I did want to also show you the website. So it looks like this at the beginning. The distance learning schedule is right here. We have already done units 1, 2, 3, 4, and we just finished 5 before spring break. I do not need you to do them, but you are more than welcome to explore the pages if you want to. You also do not need to sign a syllabus or a safety agreement because you already did that at the beginning of the year. So we are going to start with unit number 6. The overview is for you to read. The introduction to COVID-19 was what we did the very last 2 days that you were at school. And then the lessons are what you need to watch. So here's the first one. You've got it in English and then in Spanish. This is the second one. And then if you're wondering about what's actually due that first week, this is what's due. So this is the reason why I'm actually having you set up your Explore Learning accounts so that you can do these gizmos. And the link for the worksheets is right here, as well as the title. So once you set up your gizmo, all you need to do is look for the title under your period, and it should come up so that you can start the simulation. The analysis questions, there will be one due every week. And you'll have to define some stuff. You'll have to answer other stuff. Just make sure you do it in complete sentences. Make sure you give me 3 to 5 complete sentences. And to figure out how to answer these, that is what the lectures are for. So again, if we go into, for example, virus structure and reproduction, we're going to click on the lecture. That'll take you to my YouTube page.
All right, these are the notes for the viral.
Oh my God, that's me. Okay, so you're going to listen to the lecture, and then to keep track of what you listen to, these are the notes for that lecture. Right, so just make sure that when you're filling out the notes, you first make a copy so that you can actually write on this paper. So this is week 1, what's due from week 1. And then we're going to go into DNA. The lectures for DNA are right here. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if you're not sure about the order, go ahead and go into Jupyter and look and see what dates the lectures are due. Not the lectures, the analysis questions. You can also see which lectures to watch from which week here. So for example, homework week 2 is DNA structure and replication. So that goes with DNA structure and DNA replication. That means you have to watch both of these lectures in order to be able to answer these questions. This is a Explore Learning lab, and then this is an Edpuzzle. You have to set up your Edpuzzle, which was why I sent you the other message. It's kind of like a YouTube video, except it's going to pause and it's going to ask you either multiple choice questions or short answer questions, and then it's going to send it to me. And it's like a pass, no pass check for understanding. So if you don't get it the first time, just ask me and I'll let you take it again. All right, this is our last unit, homeostasis. So we've got 1, 2, this is week 4, homeostasis in human body systems analysis. And then week 5, neurons and the nervous system, those are over here. And then the last week is endocrine system analysis questions, so that's just brain function and endocrine system. All right, and then yeah, so you've got an Edpuzzle, a lab, the Explore Learning Lab, and then the analysis questions. And those are going to look just like that every time. So just make sure that you make a copy before you start filling it out. And then one of you did ask me, okay, Ms. Perez, but how am I going to turn this in? I opened up your Jupyter so that you can turn in homework as a PDF or as a Google Doc. So you just click on the link beside the assignment in your to-do list, and then it's going to ask you for a URL. So it'd be the easiest thing would be to fill it in your Google Drive and then just send me the link to the doc. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you are still having questions about this, shoot me an email, por favor. Hope you guys are doing great. And yeah.